They tell you to push through the wall, but what if the wall is your own apartment? I'm just so tired of pretending I have it together.
The noise means nothing. The challenge means everything. Watch me rise above the chaos.
With each controlled breath, find your center. Let the stillness of the morning guide you into the day ahead.
Momentum is everything. It's the force that keeps you moving when your legs want to stop. The reason you started in the first place. Resilience isn't just a word, it's this moment. Pushing past the pain, finding strength when you have none left. That's how we grow.
These bell peppers are packed with vitamin C, and the avocado provides healthy fats for sustained energy.
It's not about the workout itself, it's about showing up every single day. Consistency is the real secret to seeing results, even when you're tired.
By tracking the data daily, we can clearly see the improvements. The hard work is definitely paying off.
Out here, surrounded by this raw beauty, I remember that resilience.
Consistency is key. It's not about the big leaps, it's about the small, sustainable steps you take every single day.
Every ounce of effort, every fiber of my being, I am channeling this energy, transforming resistance into strength.
From up here, the scale of everything shifts. It reminds you that most obstacles are just small parts of a much bigger picture.
True strength isn't just what you see on the surface. It's the inner foundation, the core stability that supports everything else.
Structure is the foundation of progress. Every plate in its place, every movement precise. This is how we build resilience. So remember, consistency is the key. When you believe in yourself, there are no limits to what you can achieve.